So I get questions all the time from beginners about trying to figure out what grass type they have. So let's narrow things down here a little bit first. If you live in the south, you're going to have a warm season grass. If you live in the middle part of the country, that's an area called the transition zone, where you might have a warm season grass or you might have a cool season grass. It just kind of depends on your climate there and what might have been put in for your specific lawn. If you go north of that transition zone, then we are into what's called cool season grasses. Now that you know whether you're in a warm season zone, a transition zone, or in the cool season zone, go ahead and go to Google and just type in your location along with grass types. So for me, I'm going to type in Des Moines, Iowa grass types, and then there's a website here that comes up that gives us some different info on what might be typical for my area. You can do the exact same thing for your area and kind of narrow down what might be in your yard. Go out into your yard then, take a few close-up photos of what you have going on, then come back to your search there and compare some of the photos with what you're seeing. A lot of warm season grasses are going to look kind of similar, a lot of cool season grasses are going to look kind of similar. Maybe you have a mix of a few different things. It's possible that you might not be one exact grass type. So compare those close-up photos, and then let's say you think you have Bermuda grass, then type in Bermuda grass, do some more searching of images just on that specific grass type, and see if you can match what you have in your yard. Also, another thing that can help you is an extension office in your area. I'll link in the description below to a website that shows you all of the extension areas across the country. You can take a close-up picture of your grass, send them an email, and ask them for a little bit of advice as well. They're going to be experts for your specific location, and they should be able to help as well. I hope this video has given you some quick tips on how to find out your grass type. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.